You have to tell it.
Right. People have been saying that we need funnier videos, right? So, I've made a little potion for my brother to drink of mayonnaise, ketchup, and
Dog food.
dog food. Woo! And they'll
It ain't gonna
do-
taste nice.
Yep, and that's Alfie, by the way. Ready,
Yeah.
Josh? Go on, do it! You have to do it for 5 seconds. Right, 10 seconds.
No.
After 10 seconds, you're done. And you have to try and get at least one piece of dog food in your mouth and you have to chew it.
Will he do
2
it?
million viewers, Josh.
Even though we'll never get that far back.
Go! Go on, Josh! Josh, go on! Go on, drink it, drink it,
Is
drink
it going?
it. It's not, it's going down like a milkshake. Just do it. Hold your nose. And then the taste will go. Go on, do it. Do it, do it. More!
he
Let's follow
has
him.
just left the building.